welcome back to my channel. So I figured I would vlog today because I am getting ready for the Beyonce concert. I'm so excited. So I'm going to Atlanta night 1. I figured I would just take you guys along with me this week to go to the Beyonce concert. So I have been DIYing all week. I thrifted my pants. I cut them into like the Western like chaps. I painted them. I bedazzled them.
Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. I'm going out of my head, lost in the fairy tale. Can you hold my hands and be my guide? Clouds filled with stars cover your skies, and I hope it rains. You're the perfect lullaby. What kind of dream can be a sweet dream or a beautiful nightmare? Either way, I don't want.
I did a sketch of my nails, and this is what we're kind of gonna go for. So it's probably gonna take me like 3 hours probably, but I've never done so much detail in nails before, so yeah. And then for my pants, this is a picture of what I actually did, and then I just put it on here so I can kind of like see what it would look like. This is me like in the dressing room when I was getting this top. Turns out this top is actually like an off-white cream, and these are like stark white, so it's kind of bothering me a little bit, but I'm just gonna have to get over it. I don't have any of these fringes, so I need to take the little fringes off. That's what it actually looks like without the fringe. This is the hat that I got it from Hobby Lobby for like $4, and then I just put this little belt on it, but the gold doesn't go. But I think I also want to make like the bang thing here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but like little belt buckle thing. I think I want to make that maybe out of clay. We're gonna see. All right guys, so I just finished everything. I finished my DIY pants. I finished my nails. This is what they look like. This is like the most extravagant nail set I have ever done. Turquoise. I made these out of gel. It was really hard to record doing these because I was like so locked in, but I think they turned out really nice. It's gonna take me a minute to get used to this length, but it's fine. So I have my little clear bag, so I am just very last minute packing up my concert bag. So I wanted to show you guys what's in my concert bag. So first I have my portable charger. This is the Anchor brand. This is from Amazon, and this charges my phone. I think this can charge up to like 4 times. The only thing is it's like super heavy, so I know it's gonna take up a lot of space, but I am sure that I will use it. This is like my lifeline fan. I take this to Disney. I take this everywhere. During the hurricane, we didn't have electricity for like a week, and I used this fan all night for 8 hours, and it was still going. So love this fan. So I'll be taking that. Even though it's on the inside at Mercedes-Benz Stadium, it's still probably going to be hot because it's Atlanta and it's a lot of people. Then I have my earbuds. These are just for like if somebody's screaming next to me or something, and because concerts are really loud and can damage your eardrums. So I'm taking those. I lost my little carrying case, but that's okay. And then I bought these shades from Amazon. Look at these. They're so cute. So taking these. I'm definitely not gonna have any room in this purse. I don't even know if I can shut it. And then I saw some girlies on TikTok bring their like lighting and stuff. So I figured I'd bring this because their pictures and stuff looked really good with their portable light. And that's like really big as well. I really needed a different kind of bag. And then I have my hand sanitizer with my little silver holder. Since my colors are brown, silver, and turquoise. So that is what I have in my concert bag. This bag is also from Amazon. I last minute had to get it because the other bag that I ordered got lost in the mail. So that's what I got. Oh, and then also I didn't show you guys on camera because I was rushing, but these are some little clay star brooches that I made, and I'm going to put these on my shirt because I just have a plain white lace-up shirt and I figured they just needed something else. So I baked these in the oven. I made them out of clay. I know they look kind of lopsided, but it's fine. And then I painted them, and then I bedazzled them, and then I had to hurry up and glue on the glue on the back so that it'll stick, because it has to set for like 48 hours or something. And then I have my little belt buckle that I made that just says bang on here as well. So gonna take that with me. Hopefully, you know, it lasts. So I'm super excited to go to the concert, you guys. We're gonna go see Beyonce.
Real life again, a real life hold down. Don't be a bitch, come take it to the floor now. Woo. One step to the right, we headed to the dive bar. We always go at night. Ooh, run me to the left and spin me in the middle, boy. I can't read your mind. Say Texas, ain't no holding. Lay our cards down, 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 down. So pack your Lexus and throw your keys out. Go round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. It's a real life boogie and a real life hold down. Don't be a bitch. There's a heat wave, there's a heat wave coming at us. Do I think straight?
Alright guys, we are at the Beyonce concert. Trying to get merch, but the line is way too long. So we are down here.
You were only waiting for this moment to arise. Y'all sound so beautiful.
came back from the Beyonce concert and I had the time of my life. Let me just tell you, there was so much going on and I was rushing during the actual day. I really only vlogged myself doing my makeup, and then I realized, I was like, oh shoot, it's like 5:30, like I'm supposed to be gone so that I can wait in line for merch and like get all this stuff, and I'm still doing my makeup. Yeah, and then I missed out on the little sacred keychain because I didn't even go to the whole other side of the venue. I didn't even realize that she even had that stuff out there. But I do want to show you guys what I got, the merch that I did get. I had to get this at the end of the night because the lines when I first got there were just so long. So thankfully at the end of the night I only had to wait like 20 minutes. So I got this Peach Pit Radio Atlanta shirt. That's the front. And then this is the back. I love this picture. And it says Cowboy Carter Radio Atlanta World Tour 2025. This material is so much better than the black Renaissance shirt that I have. That one is so much more like stiff. So I really like this one. And then I got the jersey. I got the black one. So I'm so super excited about this one. It says Cowboy Carter. And then on the back is a number 4. I have this little bag of souvenirs because I want to do like a journaling page. So these were the little bracelets we got. You're supposed to turn in the little light thing that comes with it. I saw some people turning these into keychains and whatnot. I saved my little wristband. Beyonce monies. So I got this one. And then the back. Yeah. Then I got the 2 mini $1 bills. Y'all, and they were fighting over these. No, okay, nobody was fighting, but like I was reaching up trying to get one, like it was coming down and somebody just snatched it out of my hand. I was like, oh my god, like y'all. And then I ended up getting more. So they were ruthless out there. The hotel I stayed at, the Starling, I kept my little Marta card. So I have that. And then I have some confetti that got thrown out to the crowd. I have a picture where we lock eyes and she looked at me and we're like, we're besties. Me and Beyonce are besties, just so y'all know. 10 out of 10, Beyonce. Beyonce is 100 out of 10. That's my girl. I cannot wait for Act 3, you guys. I need to start planning my rock and roll fit yesterday. That's what I need to do. And my favorite song that she did on Cowboy Carter was hands down Two Hands to Heaven. That is my song, y'all. That is my song. And I think that was my favorite outfit that she did. But I also love when she does Diva. I love when she does the Diva, like the dance break and everything. My favorite Beyonce albums, I don't know how we got on this topic, but I don't know why, but yeah. So favorite Beyonce albums are B-Day and 4. B-Day and 4, those are my faves. So tell me what you guys' favorite Beyonce albums are. So I'm going to do like a little journaling page of everything. Also, if you bought one of these jerseys, do not put it in the washing machine. You need to hand wash it because all I've been seeing is people having their design get messed up. I think I want to go ahead and start my junk journal. So right now we are going to go to Hobby Lobby. I want to get like some cow print paper or just like some stickers, some star stickers, that kind of thing. Let's go to Hobby Lobby and hope that we don't get rained on. We're gonna get some stickers. I'm back from Hobby Lobby. This paisley print. I saw this girl on TikTok go and get these prints for her Beyonce spread. So some roses. I'm printing on my Canon right now. This is my journal. It is from Archer and Olive. And I just started using it. This is like my little cover page. I just put a summer story. I don't know, you guys. I just put something and then there's a picture of me. One of the pages that I've done. So this was like my little Valentine's Day spread. I went to like a little Galentine's meetup at Epcot with some friends. And then I just write a little excerpt on there. So I will just go through the process of showing you guys how I do my Cowboy Carter. I'm probably gonna end up doing like 4 pages instead of the 2. Just because I have lots of stuff that I want to put. Let's do our journaling.
Mama taught me cussing on that. This diamond, my diamond. This rock, my rock. I woke up like it, up like it, up like it, up like it, up like it. Bow down, I woke up like it, up like it, up like it.
Yes, I was up until 3 a.m. but I did get to see Destiny's Child, which was crazy when she brought out Destiny's Child. Did you guys stay up until 3 a.m. and watch the live? So I'm like dead tired today, but I'm gonna show you what I got so far. So far, this is what I have. But yeah, and this right here, I'm gonna put this on like right here, and then right here my vision is to do the My House. Okay, so my vision
This Polaroid photo strip for your junk journal or scrapbook. Go into camp.
I want to make this little square where you pull the photos down. I think that's gonna look so good, you guys.